Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about how to remove class from an element with jQuery. So just like there's an add class function in jQuery, jQuery also has a remove class function, and that'll remove the class of that specific function. And this is pretty useful because usually when you have an on-click function, you click on a button and you want to add something, you want to remove something, toggle, and that's where it comes in the handle of having something dynamic of removing class. We wouldn't just have it here without having an on-click or a reason why this would be dynamic. So for this exercise, we want to remove the button btn default class from all of our button elements. So we're going to need this, all of our buttons. And we'll go here, dot remove class btn default and semicolon. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.